Hello, my name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. And today I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour on a 12 by 12 gallery wrapped canvas. And as you can see, it's already painted black. Sorry about that. I usually start with a white canvas. However, I forgot to push play. My mistake. So today I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour on a black canvas, as you can see. And I'm going to be using limited colors. Only a black as my base coat. Then I'm going to use a white and a gray. And my metallic color is going to be gold. So every once in a while, I think it's good to do something different. Use a limited color palette or do a different technique, something of that nature. So in a couple of weeks, I'm going to be looking for another color palette, something a little different, something different than what I traditionally use. And that's what I'm going to be working on in 2023, doing different techniques, different color palettes, hopefully find some different compositions. So if you can list your favorite color palettes or colors you would like me to use in the description or in the comments below, I'd appreciate it. So as you can see, I'm blowing it out now. And then I'm going to use my mini blower, which I got from Amazon, to help blow it out. When I use a mini blower, it's like I have more control over where the paint goes. And a lot of people have asked where I've gotten that from, and I've gotten it from Amazon. So I'm going to be quiet and let you enjoy the music and enjoy the video. Phoenix Flow Art, creating is what we do.